Hey groomers, Tyler here out of Colorado. Gonna show you how to reassemble your blade if the cutter falls out. Just like this. So we have the cutter, you have the blade guide, and then you have the assembled blade. Do not loosen the two screws on the front because that can mess up the setback and possibly cut a dog. And there's your spring and socket. So first, take the blade guide and slide it onto the spring. This might take a few tries. And then take your cutter and slide it in between the comb and the blade guide with the spring. It might take a little bit of effort to get it on there, depending how the tension's set. And then you might run into this issue where it gets stuck on this little dimple here. Some of the blade guides have it, depending on the brand. The way to fix that is use your thumb as leverage or a screwdriver and just barely peel it up to slide the cutter in fully. Test it out by using the side of your thumb, and bam, there's your assembled blade. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day.